At the end of Bosnia's conflict in 1995, some 8% of its territory was littered with explosives. Many have died ever since, but Bosnia's mine-detecting dogs are its new heroes. They are helping the country to achieve its mine-free goal by 2025. So perfect is their performance that they are deployed in Iraq, Lebanon, Somalia, Zimbabwe and Cambodia too. Here's a report. This is Orna. The 2-year-old canine sniffs furiously until she finds a target. Her reward is a toy. The exercise seems only a game to Orna, but the meadow is actually a simulated minefield. In fact, Orna's mine detection skill is saving lives in Bosnia and around the world. The Balkan state is yet to rid its territory of landmines dating back to its 1990s war. They have killed 617 people, including 53 deminers since the end of the war. And so, Bosnia's goal is to be mine-free by 2025. Interestingly, no mine-sniffing dog trained in Bosnia has ever died. That's why the country has become an important training ground for canines. These Bosnian dogs get deployed in as far as Asia, Africa and West Asia. The trainers teach the dogs using positive experience.
The dog learns new things through a positive experience, with a reward that is nothing else than his toy, the Kong. He does not understand that he is looking for mines and that it is dangerous. For him it's a game. I found something and I'm rewarded. Through this positive experience, he is doing a job that saves lives around the world.
Training starts when the puppies are 4 to 6 weeks old and lasts up to 18 months. The dog's major source of motivation is the toy. It is called a Kong. The pooches then hone their skills by detecting the scent of explosives. They are hidden in tin canisters attached to a merry-go-round. The dog circles the structure, stops and sits when it sniffs a mine. Successes are rewarded with some playtime with the toy. More advanced training continues outdoor in the simulation minefields. For the deminers, these dogs are a boon.
If we have an area of 1 square kilometer around a suspected minefield, a lot of money and time would be lost if the mine clearers had to manually process the area. With the dogs, we can do this work very quickly, and it is good quality work.
Regular medical tests ensure a flawless performance by the canines. Just like most sportsmen, these dogs too are good if they train every day. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.